If you're running ads, posting on Facebook, and still not getting calls, the problem probably isn't your ads. It's what people see after they click. Most service business owners think marketing fails because ads don't work. But ads don't close customers. Ads only bring attention. What actually decides the call is trust. When someone searches for a plumbing, laundry, or cleaning service, they don't compare prices first. They compare who feels safe, reliable, and real. They look for reviews. They look for clear service information. They look for signs that the business is active and responsive. If any of those are missing, they don't complain. They just leave and call someone else. This is why many service businesses feel stuck. They're spending money to bring people in, but losing them quietly at the door. On this channel, I help service-based business owners fix these trust gaps using simple marketing and clear user experience. In the next videos, I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step. If you run a service business and want more local customers, subscribe. This channel is for you.